Crystalline solids are classified as ionic solid, covalent solid, molecular solid, and metallic solid. The molecular solid, they are classified as three types. They are nonpolar molecular solid, polar molecular solid, hydrogen bonded molecular solid. This diagram shows that the lattice point, the line joining of diagram is called as space lattice. The space lattice occupied by some point. That point is called as lattice point. That lattice points contains only ions. So that this type of crystalline solid are called as ionic solids. In this diagram, the lattice point contains sodium plus ions and chlorine minus ions. So it is a ionic solid. In this ionic solid, the main structural unit or constituents are ionic only, that is cation and anion. Cation means positive character, anion means negative character. So the positive and negative have the strong force, that is called as electrostatic attraction, so that only they are bind together. Because of the strong force, they are hard and also having the high melting point. The hardness can be removed by the strong external force only used to remove the hardness of ionic solid. And also they do not conduct electricity in the solid state because the strong coulombic force cannot move the ions, so that without the movement we cannot conduct the electricity. When they are dissolved in water or in molten state, the ions are broken, so that they are free to move. Because of free movement only we can conduct the electricity in dissolved or molten state. They exit only in solid state alone. These ionic solids are exit only solid state. An example for this ionic solids is sodium chloride. In covalent solid, the main constituents or structural unit are atoms alone. The bonding between the atoms are covalent bond. What is covalent bond means? The mutual sharing of electron. Because of this covalent bond, they are very hard and also they have high melting point. The covalent bond means mutual sharing of electron, so that they have poor conductor of thermal and electricity. Example for covalent solids are diamond, silicon carbide, and graphite. Example for metallic solids are copper, gold, silver, and their alloys. In this metallic solid, the main constituent or structural units are the positive metal ions. They are occupied by cloud of electrons. What is electron means? It is a negative character. So between the positive and negative there is a strong attraction. Because of this strong force only they are hard and high melting point, and they possess excellent electrical and thermal conductivity because of the free movement of electron, and they possess bright luster. An example for this type of metal is copper, iron, zinc, silver, gold, and alloy of copper and zinc, etc.